Hello, you can now very easily add check marks in your Google Docs. I want to show you how. It won't take long at all. We're going to go to Google Docs. We're going to go to our browser, and I'm just going to type in docs.new.com, and now I have a new document. And all you need to do is to type a list of anything. My typing's not great to this morning, but I'm really happy about this because now it makes it really easy for us and for us to model for students how to make checklists. And it's this easy. If you've used it in Google Sheets in the past, it is exactly as easy. It's a very simple toggle button. So again, you'll just find it near the top. It's right up here is where I found it. And it's new this month in Google Docs.